Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Plunge into adventure with the GoPro Hero 10 Black, a powerful action camera that won't break the bank. After extensive testing, it's clear why this model stands out as the best budget action camera overall. With a lightning-fast processor, the Hero 10 Black delivers impressive capture times. You'll find that it easily handles fast-paced moments without missing a beat. A 23.6 megapixel sensor ensures stunning clarity, capturing breathtaking visuals during activities like hiking or biking. Plus, its advanced image stabilization smooths out even the bumpiest rides, making footage look professional. When comparing it to newer models like the Hero 11 and 12, it maintains a competitive edge for budget-conscious buyers. Sure, those models offer a more squared processor and higher resolution stills. However, if you're not cutting videos into a vertical format, the quality from the Hero 10 is fantastic and more wallet-friendly. One of my favorite features is its user-friendly interface. Getting up and running takes no time at all, ideal for spontaneous adventures. Battery life holds up well, giving ample time to capture all your moments. On the flip side, while the Hero 10 Black shines, it may lack some high-end features found in its pricier counterparts. However, it still meets the needs of most users without unnecessary extras. Excitement builds when you realize how versatile this camera is for capturing life's adventures. That's a wrap.